Next, we'll demonstrate long and short stitch, alternating between long and short stitches. Let's demonstrate. You can see two patterns above. Let's stitch this small one first. Use color 6 strands. Before stitching, divide pattern into 4 parts. Top is 1 part. Bottom is 1 part. Then divide the top in half again. Start at the top point here. Take down about its center position. Stitch a long stitch. This divides the top into 2 parts, making the following stitching easier. This stitch is a long stitch. Next stitch will be a short stitch. Start from this side. Bring needle back to top, right next to the previous stitch. Center stitch is long. This stitch will be short. Alternating long and short. Return needle to top again, right next to the second short stitch. Previous was short. This stitch will be long. Take down level with the first stitch. This creates an even result. Continue returning to top. Previous was long. This stitch will be short. Always bring up next to previous stitch. This leaves no gaps in the pattern. Top left section is complete. After finishing, move needle to right side, right next to the center long stitch. Since center stitch is long, this stitch will be short. Follow these steps to complete the rest. When stitching, stitch lengths cannot be the same. Must alternate long and short. Same length isn't long and short stitch. This stitch I usually use for large area filling or gradient color blending. It creates great effects. Top section is complete. Now stitch the bottom section. Bring up at the first long stitch. At its entry point, must come up at the stitch point. Take down vertically at bottom outline, creating a connected state. Once more, this connects to the long stitch, so this will be short. Second stitch connects to the short stitch above. Bring up at its stitch point. Take down at bottom outline. Stitch a long stitch, also alternating long and short. Return to top again. Bring up at long stitch point. Note when stitching bottom, always bring up at the top. At the entry points of the top section. Not randomly here, or here. That's incorrect. Must come up at stitch points. Take down. This side is complete. Now stitch the other side. Bring up at top short stitch point. Take down vertically at bottom. Always take down on this line. This creates a teardrop shape. Take down. Let's look at the finished result.